Okay. Now, hello, hello,
Yes, ma'am. It's
hello.
clear, ma'am.
It's clear. Yes, can you able to see this one? PDF. Hello,
No, ma'am.
hello.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. Okay, I will share once again. Now, can you able to see the PDF? Hello. Can anybody can tell me? Can you able to see this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. In the this linear algebra, one topic I have left, that is the how to find out the determinant use a big formula. Is it? Okay. And you know that how to find the determinant by your normal method if it is a 2 cross 2 and it is a 3 cross 3. Is it not? Please take your pen and paper so that you need to solve here. Then only you will understand this.
Mom, the
And
PDF is
here,
not clear, mom.
okay, I will explain whatever important it is explaining. Then I will forward the notes. Okay. Uh, this one here, there is a no need here. You need to understand more here. Okay. Okay. And now here it is one more method of finding the determinant. And one more method, you know, it is also cofactors.
Ma'am,
Cofactors
we
I have
can't
done
hear you,
actually.
ma'am.
Hello. Hello. Now. Hello. Hello. Now. Hello. Hello. Can you hear properly now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So have done the that have done the this how to find out the determinant using cofactors.
No, ma'am.
Done or not? No. So then that one I will take it in the next class. But now I will take the that determinant by using the this one. What by using the big formula, or it is also called as a permutation method. Okay. In this, what they are going to do is they are using the properties of the determinant. So instead of your manual calculation like a usual method, so what they are trying to do is they are use the properties of determinants. What are the properties are they are going to use? One is determinant of, that is identity matrix is one, and the second property is sign reverse with exchange of the row. You already know, and the third one is the linearity property. By using this property, or no need to remember these properties also, you can able to find out the determinant. Okay, but when we have to use, if it is a very, if it is a 2 cross 2 and it is a 3 cross 3, if it is very easy to find out the determinant. But if it is a more number of m cross n matrix, so more number of rows in the columns, then the size of the matrix is big, then you can go for the this method of uh, to find out the determinant. Okay, now just it is an overview. How I can write the this is A B C D for by this one. Even I can, by using the linear property, how I can write the matrix A B C D is A 0 C D plus 0 B C D. This you can see, and here again I can do this again. I will separate out this A C, and this is 0 0, and again you will, this is the linearity property. I hope you understood. And next is what happens, this what is the determinant of this portion, what is the determinant of determinant of this portion? When it is columns, is it is equal to 0, determinant is equal to 0. Here also it is column, it is there, it is determinant is there. If any row is 0, then the determinant is 0. If any one column, full column, it is 0, then it is 0. So you will remainingly you will left with only the two this split up of the this matrix 2 cross 2. That means when you split up the matrix, you will have a n factorial combinations. Okay, how to split, that depends on the n factorial combination. If it is 2 columns, then 2 factorial means you will have a 2 splits up. Now if you have a 3 cross 3 matrix, then you will have a 3 factorial of this combination. That means 6 combinations. What are those? I will tell you then you will brand this what I am telling. Here it is. This is this represent one. Hello? Any doubt? Hello? Any doubt? Okay. So now this also I will explain, because now if it is a 3 cross 3 matrix, how I will split up this one is A11. I will leave this row and this column. So what are the other combination? I will take this one column from the second column, because I can't able to take this, already it is there. I will choose this column, and now I can't take this row and this column. What is the left out? It is A33. Understood? And if I take this again, you will have if the for the same combination is A11, then again I have the other combination. If I leave this column, this is important concept. Whenever you choose the first number, you have to leave that row and leave that column. One possibility is already taken this one. Now another possibility is this one. If I take this one from in the second row, then I can't take from this row this column. So the third choice is A32. I hope you understood this. Next is plus. See how I am doing this. Plus the second one is A12. A12 again I will leave this column and this one. Okay, similarly for A12, other choice is this one and this thing. And the third one, A13, if I leave this row and this column, so the other possibility is one possibility is this one and this one, and if I other possibility is A13, if I take this will be other possibility. How understood? If you don't understand, no you me that is in the chat box. Okay. Otherwise, I will continue. Okay. I hope you have understood this, because anyhow you know that. Now, what I'm going to do is now I will write this is alpha, beta, and is some v. Here, first column is first row, it is first column, second column, and the third column. So I have written it as 1, 2, 3, and plus here the second column is here in the second matrix the column is 2. It is 2. 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, and 3, 2, 1. Here, there are the 6 combinations. I will get the 3 permutation, that is n factorial permutation. I will, so that I will get the 6 combinations. Here, and here 1, 2, 3, it is for identity. I will call the first one, it is called as the identity. That you remember. Now, I will solve the problem using this. How to find out now we are coming to the problem, how to find out the determinant A. Determinant A, now I will take out this column out, so that I will be, this terms common. So I will be left with 1, 1, 1 plus these columns. Second one, you see this, and the 1, 1, 1. So you already similarly have taken this. Now your big formula or the permutation is sigma of these columns. Those columns, no need to remember, write formula. You can directly write whatever this one. A1 alpha, A2 beta, up to AN into determinant of. Here determinant of P, it is always +1 or the -1. That is how is it is depending on the even or the odd number of row exchange. Example, your identity is the second case. What is that here? This is if it is 132 here, 132, where you're getting it is first row, this one 3. No, this is okay. Whatever here, your identity matrix is 1, 2, 3. If in your column, if you come across this combination 1, 3, 2, what are the row? How many row exchange you will get? To get this, these and these are get exchanged. So there is an only one number of odd number of changes. So that will be equal to -1. Okay. If it is 3, 1, 2, if you have at least understand how you are getting the determinant is equal to +1 or -1. This you understand. Later when you understand this problem, you will find out what is this column numbers. 312. 312 is what? It is 312. How it is? You should get the 1, 2, 3. How? What are the changes? I will exchange this 1 and 3. 3, 1, 2. I should get no. So it is 1 and 3. I will exchange. There is an one number of the odd change. So then I will get it as a -1. Yes. I hope have you understood this here till now? How to get the determinant is equal to +1 or -1? Yes. If you don't understand, please write in chat box. Okay. Next, I will go from. Okay. Next here. In the exam, how they will ask is compute the determinant A and determinant B by using the big formula or permutation. Okay. Here. So in this first combination, yes, please all of you look here how we have to take is in the first combination here it is all others are 0, 0, so it will be very easy. Sometimes you will get only the one unique combination, so that instead of sigma you will have only one combination you will have. Now if I go with the order also, if I take this A11 this column, then it anyhow is 0, so that I will apply to, and second in the sigma it is I will take it as this one. So take the A1 A2 means there is a first row. How I do first here to denote the number, then denote the matrix as first row, first column is A11, first row, second column A12, first row, third column A13, and the first row, fourth column it is A14. Okay, so now you have to, now I will take this one A12. So next possibility is I should not take this row and this column. Okay, next possibility is I have to take this or this. Okay, so in this case I have taken as this A21. Next is I can't take this row and this column, so I will take it as this one. So it's A4. And the third one is I can't take this row and this column. So the third finally left out it is A43. A43. This is one combination. Plus I will take because I have taken this combination. No, what other combination I will get it? Not written here, but I will. I am explaining here. It is A1. Already I have taken this, so now I will take this. If I take this, there is then I have to leave this row under this column. Anyhow, I will take this element A34. If I take this, I can't take this row under this element. Next one, can I take this element A43? Can I take it or Hello? 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 Yashwant? Yashas? Hello? Hello, Banu
Yes,
Pranay?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
was- no, you could have, because I was keep on explaining, you could have messaged me, no? Because, hello?
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am. The voice is breaking.
Hello? Okay. But you can able this problem you see now, once again I explained this one. Because between it was disconnected. Have you or take one
Breaking, ma'am, your voice.
explain this one? Yes, just one.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking,
Hello.
ma'am.
Because my issue. Hmm. Hello. 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 Can you able to
Okay,
hear
ma'am.
properly?
It's breaking,
Okay.
ma'am, again.
Now I will explain. Oh, it is breaking. So, what to do? Network problem. This is okay. You can see the problem. Okay. Now what permutation I will explain in this formula. Can you able to see? Okay. So now in this, they have to ask they asking you to find out the determinant A using big formula or the permutation. What is that big formula? It is mainly depends on the columns. Here it is mainly depends how many you are split up, you will get the matrix. Here that is columns is n 4 columns, but here 4 columns means here that is 4 factorial, that is 4 into 3 into 12. Those many combination you will get it. But here the one advantage is here more number of the zeros are only there are the more number of zeros are there. So only in this, if you take this, either choice is you have to take this and or this. So you will get only the two choices. Is it not? Okay. So now what is the determinant A? It is I will take this A2, A12,
Ma'am, present
and
your
next is
screen, ma'am.
that is I am writing. Hello, hello. Yes.
Present your screen, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Screen is not possible. Oh, okay. It is now. Okay. Can I reconnected? No. Hmm. Okay. Now we can able to see. Hello. Yeah. Now you see this. Here I am taking it
No,
as
ma'am.
A12, A12 have. Now also not
Ma'am,
able to
screen
see.
is not shared, ma'am.
Screen shared. Okay. No, again it is connected. Now can you able to see?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Once again I'll share. Now, can you able to see? Yes, hello.
No, ma'am.
Yes, can you able to stop?
No, ma'am.
Now also no. Why? My system has become slow. I don't know. In between, it is hanging. But for me, it is showing it is sharing. Now you see. Sharing the window. This comment message for me, it is sharing it. Sharing. Hello. Hello. Can you able to see now? Hello. Can you able to see?
No, ma'am.
Still no. Now. Now. Can you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
It is disconnect again and again. Huh? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
But
Now
it
it
is
is.
some network issues there. It is disconnecting. Okay. Now it is visible. Huh? Okay. So now we have to do it for here. The columns will play an important role. And is I have to take this number from the first row, this column. Two option will be first. Okay, I will take this A12. I have done. Next, the second option is I have to leave A21. Then I have to leave this row and this column. So the third option will be A34 and the fourth option will be A43. Okay, you understand this? How I have written this? Okay, so now if what might be the other combination? If I take the here, I have not written here, I have not written, but I am telling that what is the other combination is A12. First time I have chosen this, second time I will choose this. If I choose this and this row, I can't able to choose this element. This element, the third element is either this or this, and the third element anyhow I will go to have to choose this element. So obviously I will get it as 0. That's why here it is a unique combination. Only whatever may be this one sigma, you will get only this combination. So your column numbers are 2, 1, 4, 3. And your identity is 1, 2, 3, 4. Column numbers in the order 1, 2, 3, 4. That is your identity column. Now here it is 2, 1, 4, 3. Now I have to find out what is determinant P. Determinant P is +1 or -1. So it is 2, 1, 3, 4. So it is 1 and 2. There is a 1 row exchange, and 3 and 4 there is a 2 exchange. So that I will get this. So there is a even number of changes. So it will be determinant P will be equal to 1. So what is your determinant A is A12, whatever may be the value of A12. If it is here, it is 1. So it is 1 into 1 into 1 into this 1 into determinant P is equal to +1 because of even number of changes. That is determinant A is equal to 1. Understood? Or shall I explain once again? Yes? Jaswant, understood? Vishesh? Hello? 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 Anybody can tell me if you don't understand, because this is important. Yes, Jaswant?
Repeat, ma'am. Repeat once again.
Okay. See, this is permutation is, okay. Permutation is how we are taking the columns. Okay. And here, please, those who are not understood, once again, listen. Here, how we are to determinant A is, you remember in the first column, how I can split this. What are the possibility I will take? You know that for the first row one, what is the possibility? One I will take. If I take this, I can't take this row and this column. So the second possibility is I can go for this one or this one. Okay, first I will go with this one, A12, A21, A34 and A43 plus A12, this one I will go. What are the other possibilities? Only this and this. Okay, then I can't take this and this. So the third possibility is I can go here or there. Then what happens in the fourth row, anyhow, for all other except this combination, for all other combination, your fourth row will, if I take this, no, you can't able to take this one. So it will, anything multiplied with 0, you are going to get it as 0. So that sigma is some columns plus some other columns you are going to get, that will be 0. But this is only the unique combination, you will get it. So understood till now? And here you please, you understand the 2, 1, 4, 3. That is the column numbers. Row wise you have to take. In the first row it is second column. In the second row it is first column. In the third row it is fourth column, and it is 4, 3. In order to get the ideal column numbers, what are the, how many number of row exchange? So it is 1 and 2 exchange, 1 exchange, and 3 and 4 it is 2 number of exchange. So your determinant P will be equal to plus 1. So your determinant will be A12 into this number into determinant P. So that here all are 1. So you are going to get it as 1. I think it will be more clear if you solve the more problems. Okay, let me go for the next one. Okay. Here, what is the determinant B? Now, you tell me in the B13 which combination shall I take? Now I will take the 13, B13. If I take this, what second combination I can get? I can't take this or this. What the other combination I will take? Yes, B22 I will take. If I take this and this, I have to go for the this or this. Now I am getting it as 6, B31. This I can take it. And B44. This one I will take it. And into determinant P. Here, this is more, here in this, in these two problems, here it is a unique combination I can get. Because how I have to choose is, here all the numbers are 0 except this one. So I have to retain this one. So if I retain this, I can't take this row under this column. Obviously, I have to go for the this. And take, so you are left with this one. And here I can't take this and the this. So these two columns are vanished. So now what is the my left out in this? This 4 and 5 I can't take. So I have to take this 3 and have to take this 6. This also gone. So this is the unique combination you will get, and this is into whether it is, what is this? This is 1 into 3 into 6. I am getting 18. Now the question is into determinant P. Whether it is a plus 18 or minus 18 is a question. Now what are the row? It is 3, 2, 1, 4. How many row exchange should be there in order to get my ideal row exchange? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 I will remain as it is. 3 and 1 I will exchange here. Number, odd number of row exchange. So I will get it as minus 1. Understood? Yes, understood, or any doubt in this? Yes? Yes? Okay, shall I go further? Varsha? Varsha, are you there? Varsha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
This one? Varsha, understood this? How to get the determinant P? Because this is very, very important. You may expect one question on this. Okay, next. Using the big formula, compute the determinants of this one, and you tell that are their columns are independent. Okay, next. Cross verification I am doing your normal method. I am finding out the determinant. It is -2. Anyhow, you are getting. Now, by using this permutation, whether I will get the same thing. Next, can you tell me this, what combination I can take here? Yes. Now, sigma into some columns u into determinant P, you know this formula. Okay. Now, first I will take this value. This is A11. Okay. A11. If I take this, I can't take this and this column. So second one, obviously I have to go to for A23. If I go for this and this, I will go for this A22. So it is 1 into 1 into 1 into determinant P. Determinant P, still it is not at over. Still other combination, other possibilities also there, no? So that's why. Okay. Then here it is standard is 1, 2, 3. But what I am getting it is.
How will you get that
Hello?
determinant P?
Determinant P it is +1 or -1. Here that will be left during this number of row exchanges you will get. This is your generalized formula. Okay. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then determinant me for this one I am telling. Now I am taken this first one A11 into I have to leave this and leave this. Obviously here 0 I can't take. So this is the possibility. A23. Okay. If I take this row and this row, third possibility it is A22. Still it is not at over. It is -1. It is not a unique combination. Still you will get it into determinant P. Now determinant P is I have to decide whether it's a +1 or -1. So your ideal is standard identity is 1, 2, 3. But here whatever it did is 1, 3, 2. You have taken the columns as it is 1. Second row it is third. Third column it is 2. 1, 2, 3. How many number of exchanges? Is it odd or even number of row exchange? Tell me. All of you can tell me it is even number of row exchange or odd number? Hello? Hello?
Odd number of
Odd number of exchange. So it is -1. So it is 1 into 1 into -1. So here first part it is -1. Here in the previous case we have got the unique. But here we are now I will go for this another combination. Now I will go for the plus because this is sigma. No, this is one column combination. I'm getting -1. For the other column combination, I will take this one A12. A12 I will take. Then I will leave this row and this column. Again, possibility is this row or this one. Now I am going to take it as A21. If I take the A21, then the third column is this is A33. Okay, into determinant P. What is determinant P? Now what are the what are the column numbers now? Can you tell me here? Column numbers. Anybody can tell me here? Please understand this. What are the column numbers now? 2, 1, 3.
3.
2, 1, 3. So now you have to tell me whether it is an odd number of row exchange or even number of row exchange to get the standard identity. 1, 2, 3 and 2, 1, 3. I will exchange this. There is only an odd number of exchanges. So it is -1. So it is -1 I will get. Plus, similarly, this I am getting. So total your determinant value it is -1, -1. Still any other combination you will get? Okay, because I have taken this value. Plus, other combination A12. Now I will take this one. What is this? A23. Yes. Then what I am supposed to take then? Here, the third row, which is the left out element. if I take this A12 and this one, which is the third possibility in the third row. What is the name of the element?
A32.
Getting my point, what I am telling? Not 3-2, because already if it is A1 to take and no, so this row I can't take and this column I can't take. So if I take the another this choice, obviously you will, and then if I take this, I can't take this row under this column. This element is gone and this element is gone. I only left with 0. 0 and anything is 0. That's why I have not written. This it is -1 and -1 it is 2. Understood? Okay. So now here you will understand clearly, because here and all more number of zeros. Please all of you understand and listen this carefully. Okay. This, if you understand this problem, you should be able to do the next one. Okay. Find the determinant A using the big formula or by permutation. Here it is very simple. You take the first element and take all the combination except that row and that column. Okay. Now if I take this, what is the first possibility? This row and this one, always it is this A2 into this determinant 2 first row, this one 2 into 0, anyhow it is 0 means 0, actually into determinant P it is +1 or -1, it doesn't mind, because here anyhow it is 0. Understood? Next one is what I am taking is, next is I will take actually you can go for the other combination also, you can. So now if you have any confusion, please go with the order. If it is 2, now I have to go for this and this combination. Either one combination is left, no, then this is gone, 3. Now what is the other possibility for the same element? What elements I can take in this? 3 I already done, I get the 0. You tell me, please, you tell me what combination, other possible combination, what combination I can take in this element if I choose the 2. Please, you tell me. Anybody?
5.
3 I already done. Yeah, that means 5. If I take 5, then yeah, then I have to go for this 5, 2 into 5. Please go with the order. Then what is in the third row, which is the left out element? I can't take this 5 you have chosen. I can't take this row under this column. In the third element, what element I can take in the third row? Third row, what element I can take? -1. So yeah, please you go with the order. This 2 it is done, no? So then I'm going with this 2 into 5 into -1 I have taken into determinant P. Determinant P is, now I have to take that, which is what is the column? What are the columns? Here it is this and this. In the first row it is first column, second row it is third column, third row it is second column. So my column it is 1, 3, 2. Now you tell me what is determinant P, +1 or -1? Think and tell me. Don't see here. Think and tell me. What is your standard? Your standard column size is what? Column permutation is what? Standard column identity. What should be your column identity? You tell me first that one. 1, 2, 3. It will be in the order. But what is your column you are getting? 1, 3, 2. So now you tell me whether your determinant P is +1 or -1. How many number of row exchange? Odd number or even number? In order to get standard identity, 1, 2, 3. This and this should be exchanged. So it is -1. So you are going to get it as -1. 2 into 5 into -1, it is 10. Okay, that one combination. Please go with the order. Okay, then I will go with the anyhow. If I go with the 0, any combination if I take, no, that determinant will be 0, so I will not go. Next, I will go with the 4. Similarly, here I have taken all the derivation, it is 4. Now I will take with this 4. if I take this 4 and this, what are the two combinations you will get? For the second row, which one should I choose? Second one. Second row, what are the possibilities I'm getting if I take for 4? Yeah? Yes? Tell me.
1 and 3 you
Hello?
can take.
Hello? 1
1 and
or 3. So that's why now 1 or 3. First I will choose the anyhow that you have to write it separately. 4 I have chosen. 3 I have chosen. This one. Please you write again. Once again you write it. And another in the third row, what is the remaining possibility? It is only 10. So what is your combination? It is 3, 2, 1. Is it not? Your column combination is 3, 2, 1. Okay. This 4 into 3 into 10 into determinant P. Determinant P it is. Here it is. You have to check for whether it is -1 or +1. Now it is 3, 2, 1. But you should get it as 1, 2, 3. Now what you are going to get? Odd number of changes or even number of changes? Do it. Hello. 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 Understood? Hello. Then this is
Yes, ma'am.
1, 2, 3. This is odd number. This is -1. So you are going to get it as what? This is 1 into 4 into, no, it is 4 into 3 into 10 into -1. It is 120. Similarly, for this 4 this 4, can you do it for this one? For taking 1 as a combination, what will be the value? 4. This one you will take. Then 3 already you have taken. So now I will take it as 1. So now which one will be left out? Which one will be left out now? 4, 1 I have taken. Next, in the third row. If I take the 1, 4, 1 in the third row. Hello?
-1.
-1. So if I take that -1 into determinant P, determinant P is what? Whether now you can tell me what are the column order here? 3, 1, 2 you are taken. So what is the, can you tell me determinant of P? It is whether +1 or -1? Actually what you are supposed to get, it is standard identity is 1, 2, 3. Now you are getting 3, 1, 2. How many number of even number of row exchange or odd number of row exchange? You tell me. So here I have written this 1, 2, 3. Here 3, 1. 3 it is here. Okay, here it is. That is even number of exchanges. So then you will get it as 1. So it is 4 into 4 into -1. Now we are writing the actual formula. That is what all the combination you will take it, -120 you will take this, all this you are going to add. That is what your formula. That is sigma into this into determinant P is there, no? So that I have written separately. Then for all other combination you will get it as first row, no? So that is enough. So it is -20 -4 plus 10. So it is -124 plus 10. So you will get it as 1114. You can cross verify this your by normal method. This also you are going to get. Understood this method? Hello? Understood this method?
Yes, ma'am.
Or still any? Okay. So now similarly you have the like this. Okay. So in the go through the notes and let me know whether determinant by finding the cofactors are done or not. If it is not done, again in the next class I will do. And in the second module, only the left 4 is in the random variables, only chi-square and the t-square. And there only the equation it is given. So I will write the notes and I will forward it. Okay. So next, after doing this revision, I want to do for this forever tests. Okay, thank you.